ALDI has garden supplies for summer at unbeatable prices. So come along with us. My name is Marlene. Welcome to our home and garden channel. So the first thing that I saw were these beautiful hummingbird feeders, and they were going for $9.99. And boy, aren't they gorgeous! They were pretty decent size. And what I like is that they have the perches at the bottom, so our little hummingbirds can sit on there, take a break from the hovering that they do. And they're beautiful colors. You have reds, you have yellows, and greens. So something to suit whatever colors you would prefer. Over here, this is a sun catcher. Very colorful, very pretty. What I like about this one is that it's made of plastic and not glass. So like say you have, small children or grandchildren, you can have them hang it for you, or you can even, have them just, play with it a little bit and it will be okay. It's for $4.99. As you can see, there are 3 different styles there. This right here, this is actually a garden tool set where they have a weeder, a trowel, and a cultivator. And just to say, guys, this is not a sponsored video. I'm just giving you ideas based on what's available in another garden center. This was going for $8.99. This is actually a bird feeder, which I thought was so cute. It's a rocker and it rocks. And just to show you where the food is kept for the birds, the seeds that is, you would put them right in there. So I think it's really nice, and I like the color too. So $8.99. Over here now they have these rattan planters, and you get 2 in 1. You can see it's a pretty decent size, and you have the planter, and inside you have the flower pots. You're getting 2 different things for $12.99. It's a pretty decent size. You saw the dimensions here a moment ago. These are a little bit smaller, but very cute. Same situation again, and you can see the size there again, that you have the planter and you also have the pot on the inside, and they're showing you how you can style it right there. And it comes in 2 different colors for $9.99. And then over here now they had these succulent planters. And I just love the colors, how it kind of like has a kind of ombre finish. I really like that. And it has a hole in the bottom. Little plug is in there, which means that your plants won't have to worry about root rot, because they'll get to breathe, when the water can seep out from the bottom. And this one was very eye-catching to me. I really like it. It's a 3-tier plant stand, and it's very, very pretty. And you can spray it over in a different color if you like. It was for $16.99, or you can just leave it as how it is there. It's so pretty to put your plants on it. Over here, I really like this rug. It was for $7.99. I should say matte. And it's a coir mat. Very, very nice style. I've never tried that, shape before, but, it's definitely very creative. And over here, they have a larger one. And this one is for $9.99. And this one, people wipe their feet on there, and you can easily just wash it off with your hose, and it's going to come right back and it'll just dry out. So it's very versatile like that. This one, though, it's a little bit softer and the color is really light, so I'm not sure how it would hold up. The one on the right is more of like a type of a memory foam. Not so sure about durability on that one either, but I know it would be comfortable if you're standing on it. And just to show you the colors and how much it was going for, $6.99. And if you're into Disney for your kids or your grandkids, they have these Disney mats right here. You can see those are going for $5.99, and they had different patterns under there. Over here now, these are some outdoor rugs. You can see that they're very weather resistant, different colors, and they were 6 feet by 2 feet for $7.99. I think that's a really good price. And of course, you can use it, in various areas on your patio, porch, or anywhere like that. $6.99. And over here, you can see these garden figurines, and they have solar power, $9.99. So you have like the ox, you have the little froggy, and the lighthouse. And look at this, it's like a little pig. And it's almost like a bobblehead. You can touch it and it, bobbles from side to side. $6.99. I know the little kids will really, really love to have that to play with in the garden. And then over here now they have this lantern. Looks very modern. And you can recharge it whenever you need to. And I'm almost certain that I saw in there where they said that you, like, if you put your hand over it, it will come on or off. So very, very classic, very, very modern. If you like more of a glam look, this one here now would be for $11.99, and it is solar too, so it's going to light up. It's going to last you for a long time. And here's another one again, or I should say some more over here. These are very brightly colored. So if you like a kind of a blingy type of a look, then this would be for you. And you can see they have a little ball in the center, and they have the ladybug and the flowers and all of that. And of course, there's a frog there as well too. So very whimsical, but at the same time, a little bit of bling there. And I like this dustpan because it's a pretty decent size, and I felt the bristles, and they were not too firm but not too soft either, so they'd really get whatever you need to clean up. And it has a pretty good capacity there, so you can do a nice cleanup job if your little ears on your patio or porch are getting a little bit messy. You can always use it. And that was $7.99. And then over here now they had these hose nozzles, and these were for $4.99. And I like it has a little grip part. You can, hold on to it really well. And you have different settings on there that you could use based on, how you want the water to flow out. And if you're liking this video so far, be sure to give me a thumbs up. It does send a good message out so others can get recommended to it. And if you want to have more activity from your kids or grandkids in the garden, this is a good way to start them off. It has little tools in there, made for their little hands. And this would be a little perfect way to surprise them if they come to visit, if those are your grandkids or neighborhood kids or, your own kids, of course. And then over here, they're showing you that they have a little dinosaur watering can, which is so cute. And these are for kids that are a little bit older. They have two types of rakes on there. They have a spade and they have a shovel. And these are made of metal. And I like the colors. And these were each for $3.99. And I just wanted to pause for a moment to invite you to subscribe to our channel if you've never done so before. My husband and I, we do lots of gardening topics. We do garden DIY. We show it at the garden centers. And we also go over common mistakes that we or others have learned from, so you can have an easier garden experience. And if you haven't heard from us in a while, please stop by because we do weekly videos. So over here now we have this nice chest, or you could put things that, like for your patio or your porch and so on. You can store them in there. It's a pretty good size and it looks very stylish. And it says it's 71 gallons and you can see how much it's going for there. And they also had these two lounge chairs, two colors available. And this was for $19.99. And then to go with that, you can maybe get some of these pillows right here. And this one looks very, that kind of a, kind of like a more country type style. I think it's really cute. I really like it. $12.99 is what they were going for. And they were for a pretty decent size. And I like the colors on these. Very dainty. This one over here, it's a lumbar pillow. So that's how they had those there. I really like them. Pretty up your patio or your porch. These ones you can most likely use them inside as well too because of the fabric they're made from. It would need to be in an area that's kind of like protected from the elements. These would not hold up very well out in the in the weather. But this one is just so gorgeous, so upscale. I like the braiding at the side. It's very, very pretty. And you can see these are going for $12.99. And I'll be leaving my spring and summer porch makeover playlist at the end. So if you wanted to get some ideas of how we've styled our porch or patio in the past for the season, you can stop by and check it out once we're finished here. And then over here, this is an umbrella table. So let's say you have two chairs and an umbrella. This is a very easy small table you can get by just putting it around your umbrella. You can put like your drinks on there, little snacks and so on. This is kind of like a double-seater right here. And you can fold it up, take it out to your garden, or if you're going out somewhere, you could take it there and it should work out just fine for you. And they're fairly lightweight too. And of course, as the weather gets warmer, we'll want to cool down, be in a cooler spot. So this is a bladeless fan. It also has lighting on there. It also has a quiet setting, so you won't even hear that it's going. And you can see how much it was going for. If you wanted one that's a little bit larger with more features, you can get this one over here for a little bit more. So it just depends on what's, in your budget. You can decide which one would work better for you. And of course, it's time to be outdoors having fun with your family and friends. This is like a little mini golf set here that you can, enjoy in your garden, on your lawn. And this one over here, this is a little sprinkler system for the kids. They can, get wet, and cool down in the summer. Very, very colorful. Kids like that kind of a thing. So this is a really good time for them, to enjoy in the garden. And these are some tarps over here. It's always good to have tarps. You never know when you might need one. Pretty good price. And my husband typically likes to use the tarps, puts them onto the shrubs when he trims them, and he just, takes it and empties it in a box, and it makes it clean up so much easier. And of course, you don't want to have any hazards or anything, but just in case there's a little bit of a small fire anywhere, these will put it out very quickly for you. Now, what I will say about Aldi is that they don't keep their items for too long. So if you see something that you like, it's like best to just go ahead and get it, because you could wait maybe for 2 or 3 weeks and then you go back and it's not there. Sometimes you may be lucky, you could do it there for a month or even 6 weeks afterwards, but not always the case. Quite often they go very quickly. So again, check it out when you get a chance. And again, it's not sponsored, this video. It's just me giving you, a show of what's out there at another garden center, because they do have that section, in the stores. And I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you to our channel members. We appreciate you so much. And those of you that share the videos out with fellow gardeners. And if this is the first time that you're on this channel, we certainly hope that you will consider subscribing and tapping the notification bell twice, so you can journey along with us. Gardening is such a wonderful hobby. So many ways that it benefits us. So I want to thank you all so much for watching. Happy gardening. And I do hope to see you in the next one. Take care.